Kyron Learning is AI-powered instruction designed to help you build real understanding through guided practice and feedback. You'll review key concepts, practice what you're learning, and get real-time guidance as you work through each lesson. Let's take a closer look. Kyron lessons include a combination of different elements. To start, you will get a content review.
Today we're exploring how the moon's gravity shapes the movement of Earth's oceans. The moon's gravity pulls unevenly across Earth, stretching the oceans and creating high tides on both the near side and the far side. The far side bulge forms because Earth itself shifts slightly toward the moon, while the distant ocean lags behind.
Use the next or back buttons in the table of contents to navigate. As you complete each activity, the progress bar updates. Multiple choice questions will present you with a question and up to 4 possible answers. If you choose incorrectly, you can retry with feedback to guide you.
This isn't correct. While both celestial bodies contribute to tides, it's important to identify which has the primary effect. Consider the gravitational strengths and revisit the question.
Multiple choice with conversation starts as a multiple choice question and opens into a targeted conversation with Kyron's AI. If you select an incorrect answer choice, you'll have the chance to reflect on your reasoning and refine your thinking before revisiting the question. Kyron lessons also include conversation interactions to answer a given question. You can type or click the microphone to speak.
Well, in the chart, I see 2 high tides in about 24 hours, so it's showing one tide caused by the moon and the other caused by the sun.
Next, you'll receive feedback.
Tides in about 24 hours. But it's a common misconception that one is caused by the moon and the other by the sun. What else could explain 2 high tides each day?
Feel free to ask questions. Incomplete or wrong answers are totally okay. Getting feedback is part of the learning process, and Kyron will guide you. To skip ahead, click Next in the table of contents. Chat interactions continue until you respond fully. Then you can click Continue or Reset Conversation. Your professors can review full transcripts of all your responses. Click here for Help Center articles to support you with your Kyron learning experience. The lesson will be marked complete in your LMS when you've finished all activities. Then, you'll be asked to complete a survey. After the survey, your lesson recap will provide your lesson status, progress, and insights into any misconceptions you had during the lesson. Thanks for your attention and good luck with your studies.